Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most beautiful and unique hair types, curly hair. If you have got curls, waves, you already know that they have a life of their own. So today we are sharing the best haircuts for curly hair in 2025, styles that are trendy, easy to manage and perfect for adding natural volume and bounce. Let's get started. First up, the layered curly cut. This one never goes out of style. Adding layers helps your curls fall naturally and creates a lovely shape instead of a big round puff. It also removes extra weight so your curls look light, bouncy and full of movement. Ask your stylish for soft blended layers to keep your curls looking healthy and full of life. Next, we have the curly bob. This is a short and stylish haircut that's perfect for modern women who love effortless look. A chin-length curly bob gives your face a fresh, youthful vibe and is super easy to maintain. You can wear it natural or define your curls with a curl cream or get for the perfect texture. If you like something a little longer, try the shoulder length cut with layers. It's the perfect in-between style, not too short, not too long. It always your curls or breath while giving your enough length to style in different ways. You can also part it to the side for more volume and shape. For a fun and bold look, consider the curly shake cut. This style has been trending in 2025 and looks amazing on natural curls. The shake gives you tools, lots of layers, texture and a relaxed look. Chic vibe. Pair it with curtain bangs or whipsy front layers and you will have a stylish youthful look that's full of personality. Another beautiful option is the perfect pixie cut for curly hair. Yes, curls can totally rock a pixie. This short haircuts is chin, lightweight and easy to style. Just a bit of curl cream and you are good to go. It's perfect for women who want something fresh, confident and super low maintenance. Curly bangs are back in style this year. They frame your face beautifully and give your haircut a soft, romantic touch. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.